Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a Boxycharm video for you guys. I had no intention of filming this video today. It's like, I don't know, the 12th? Anyway, it's early for Boxycharm. I really wasn't expecting it to come this soon. Last month it was almost the end of the month before I got it. So I was really surprised when I got home from work and I found this in my mailbox. So I have precious little time to do this, and then I've got a showing to get ready for, so I gotta skedaddle and start cleaning the house. So, but I do like to film these videos as soon as I get the box and get it out to you guys as fast as possible. So I thought we would do this really quick together and go through what came in the box. So the theme for this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy. So I believe this is like festival themed because Coachella is coming right up for those people who do Coachella. I live in Canada, so that's not happening. But that's the theme for the box this month. So the first thing that we've got, I'm not going to go in the order of the card because it's never the way it comes out of the box. So the first thing that I see in here, I was so excited about. You guys know, if you're not new here, I love getting brushes in Boxycharm. So these are some more of the Luxie brushes. I have so many like fistfuls of Luxie brushes that I've gotten in Boxycharms. And also when I used to do Ipsy, I'd get them in there as well. But I was really excited about this set. So this is called the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set, and it's valued at $28. So we've got 3 brushes in here. We've got the Luxie 245 small shader. I believe I have this one already with the light pink handle. These ones are great for like packing color on the lid. It makes a good concealer brush, makes a great brush for cleaning up, carving out the eyebrow. So love that. The other one I've got in here is the Luxie 209 large shader. So this one's a little bit fluffier. Again, great for packing color on the lid. You could even use that in your crease because it is nice and fluffy. And then there is the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. This is actually the brush, when I saw the spoilers online, this is the brush I was most excited about because I'm finding I don't know which of my brushes I want to use for bronzer, which seems so crazy because these are my brushes. I have so many, but I feel like, you know, this one's too big and this one's too fluffy, and I've been using this one, but I find the bristles to be very rough. So when I saw this one on the Boxycharm Instagram page, I actually saw people using it to apply bronzer, and I thought that may be the brush that I'm missing. So we'll see, but I was really excited to get that. They've got a really nice sort of ombre handle on them. I love that. Love the Luxie brushes. So those are definitely a yes for me. I'm very excited to receive those. So this is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. It's valued at $20, and it's supposed to give you length, definition, and curl retention, and all day wear. I was just reading the card to see if it was waterproof, and it doesn't look like it is, which is great for me. And it's saying that you can build this up. So it's a buildable mascara, which is really nice. Some of them don't build as well. When you try to layer them, they end up looking really clumpy. So that's really interesting. I actually really needed a mascara. I've been working on this Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara for quite a while. And I've just noticed in the last few days that it's getting really clumpy and really, really dry. So I was about ready to buy a new mascara, and I was like, oh, what if I get one in my Boxycharm? And it came today. So love that. It does have the like more rubbery plastic wand, which generally is not my preference, but I'm not going to pass judgment until I've tried it. So I was very excited to get that. It's a $20 mascara. We shall see if it's worth the $20 value, but I was certainly happy to receive a new mascara this time around. The next thing in the box is by Bodyography, and this is their eye pencil, and it's valued at $14. So this is the Bali Bronze. I actually can buy, that's the color, sorry, that's the color right there. It's sort of a coppery bronze color. I actually can buy the Bodyography products at my local beauty supply store at wholesale prices because I'm licensed. But I do generally kind of pick and choose out of that line because I've just not heard much about it. So I'm always happy to receive something in a Boxycharm to try it out, because like I say, I walk by it in the aisle all the time. I know I like their powders. I know I like their makeup brush cleaner. I'm trying their setting spray right now, but I've never tried any of their pencils, so I'm excited to try that. Love a bronzy eye in the summertime with a hot pink lip like this, so definitely excited to try that. I probably wouldn't buy a $14 eye pencil. That's just myself personally, but I do enjoy receiving them in boxes. Definitely better than that eye pencil that we got in last month's box. So the next product in here is by Artist Couture, and this is their Diamond Glow powder. So this is like a loose highlight. This is valued at $27. Let's see what color I got. It says Purple Dream. So I think there was a sort of, from what I saw on the Boxycharm spoilers on Instagram, I always look. I can't help myself. I'm always like, I'm not gonna look this month, and then I look. It looked to me like there was a more purpley one and there was a more champagne one. So when you open it up, it looks like this. There's like a little sifter in there. Okay, so now that I've got the little plastic sticker off of it, so you open it up, there's a little sifter inside. So I'm just gonna give it a quick shake there to get some of the product out. I just wanted to be able to swatch it on my hand for you guys. Oh, interesting. So, that doesn't excite me near as much as I thought it was going to. I was like ready to be wowed. I was ready to be like, oh my gosh, it's so reflective. Maybe it looks better on. Let's try it on, because you can't have too much highlight. I think I'm well highlighted at this point. Also, it's the end of the day, so I'm like at the oily stage of the day. So let's just see. Did that do anything? It definitely has, I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but it definitely has like a, it's almost like a duochrome. So it almost has like a lilac like shift to it. So when I look at it sort of straight on, it looks sort of champagne, but when I turn my head, I can pick up on a little bit of a lilac shift. Ooh, makes a really nice nose highlight. Should we do the collarbone? So that's interesting. I don't have a lot of experience with loose highlights. Generally, I've used pressed formulas, so I'm interested to give that a little bit more of a try. So far, I think that's going to be a really interesting summertime highlight. I like it. So that's kind of fun. That's something that I would never buy for myself. So to me, that's part of the fun of these subscription boxes, is getting products that you wouldn't normally buy, trying them out, and maybe finding a new love. So that's really exciting. And I've never tried anything from this brand before. So the last thing in the box is a palette. You guys know I love a palette, and I've seen some spoilers for this one, and it looks really interesting. So this is from the brand Pure. I've gotten a few palettes from them through Boxycharm in the past. So this one's a little bit different because they're calling it a 12-piece pressed pigment palette instead of just an eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. So this is the festival palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. So, oh my gosh, it looks even more beautiful in person. Oh my gosh, all their palettes smell like cake. I don't know why. Okay, this is so beautiful. We're just gonna have to swatch it. I don't normally swatch like all the palettes when we do Boxycharm videos, but I can't resist these. Those glitters are so fun. So top row, we've got all sort of more metallic colors. So here's some metallics. In my experience with Pure shadows, they can be a little bit hit or miss. We got the Masquerade palette a few, I don't know, so many months ago, and I was a little disappointed with that one, but there was another palette we got before that. I can't remember what it was called, and I really liked that one. So for me, so far, their palettes have been hit or miss. These mattes feel like butter. They're so soft. Oh my gosh, that glitter. Okay, so second row, I'm gonna run out of arm space. Second row, we've got some mattes. We've got this really fun purple color, this hot pink matte, oof, and this glitter. Stunning. So look at my finger. Like, those are glitter. Now, I would personally recommend using a glitter glue with a formula like that. Otherwise, you're going to wind up with glitter all underneath your eyes. That's just my opinion, but that's how I would use them. You don't have to buy expensive glitter glues. NYX makes one. I've got an e.l.f. one that works just fine. Where are we going to put the rest of them? I've run out of arm space. I should have worn shorter sleeves. Hold on. Okay. So last row, we've got a couple of mattes, another metallic, and then this last glitter. Oh my gosh. It's like a pink glitter. Look at my finger. So those are so fun. So this 24 karat magic right here, and this one's called Fireworks. Like, those are so interesting. I don't have anything like that in my collection whatsoever. So that to me is so fun. This palette has a little bit of everything. It's got mattes, it's got good transition colors, it's got, you know, glitters, it's got like metallics. You've got everything in there really to create a really fun eye look, or even a really natural eye look, because if you covered up those two in the middle, it is a very neutral palette. So I love that. I think a lot of people will be really happy to receive that in their box. So the total value of the box is $125, which I think is a great value. They're usually always over $100. Everything in here is something that I would use personally, and there are a few things in here that I wouldn't have bought for myself, like the loose highlighter. So I love it. Great month, as always, as I'm knocking things off my desk. Great month, great box. I'm really pleased with it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought. Let me know as well if you received your Boxycharm, if you got anything different. I'd love to know like what all the variations are. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!